That bottle of olive oil in your kitchen right now, there is a real chance it is not olive oil. Not a knockoff brand. It could be Bertolli. It could be Filippo Burillo, the bottle you have been buying your whole life with the Italian label and green cap. And it might be cut with cheaper oil under a label that says extra virgin. Canadians spend over $200 million a year on olive oil. In their most recent testing cycle, the CFIA tested 92 samples. 22 came back adulterated or making false claims, nearly 1 in 4 bottles. Before we start naming the brands that you should avoid, you need to understand how the mechanism works, adulteration, and why bad harvests make it worse. Extra virgin is expensive to produce. When global crops fail, processors stretch the real oil with cheaper alternatives. Here is why it gets worse in bad years. Mediterranean production dropped by nearly 1 million tons in 2022 and 2023. When supply gets that scarce, there is simply not enough genuine extra virgin to fill every bottle claiming to contain it. The CFIA defines adulteration as adding another oil to a product sold as olive oil, illegal in Canada. It happens anyway. The extra virgin label? Lie. Extra virgin is a specific grade, cold-pressed from fresh olives, acidity below 0.8%, passed sensory evaluation. Oil that oxidized produced with heat or from lower-grade olives does not qualify, but the label can still say extra virgin unless someone tests it. The Italy illusion. European rules allow oil from Tunisia, Spain, or Morocco to be blended and bottled in Italy, then sold with Italian branding. Packed in Italy does not mean the olives were grown there. Now here's what we are going to do. I list 6 brands of olive oil on Canadian shelves. I will show you exactly what is wrong with each. Then 3 brands that actually earn your trust. Stay until the end. Number 6. Gallo Portuguese since 1919. $15 to $18 per liter at Loblaws, Metro, Sobeys, and Walmart. Flip the bottle. Most Gallo sold in Canada says product of EU. Not Portugal, not a region, not a named grove. Blended on price, no harvest date. Physical check. Pour some into a spoon. Fresh extra virgin smells grassy and slightly peppery. Flat or odorless means oxidized. Fair note, Gallo's single origin Portuguese line is more transparent. Look for that distinction on the label. But number 5 makes Gallo look like a paragon of transparency. Number 5. President's Choice Splendido. The standard bottle lists Italy, Spain, and Tunisia as source countries, changing each season. No harvest date. Consumer reviews describe the taste as weak, watery, and diluted. Physical check. Smell your bottle directly. Fresh extra virgin olive oil smells green, like cut grass or fresh fruit. Nothing or warm butter means rancid. The Splendido organic line is a different product. But the standard Splendido does not deliver what the label implies. Number 4 is one of the most recognizable Italian names in the world. And behind it sits a story most Canadians have never heard. Number 4. Bertolli. What the label will not tell you. Bertolli, Carapelli, and Sasso, 3 of the most recognizable Italian branded olive oils on Canadian shelves, are all owned by the same Spanish company, Deoleo. One parent company, 3 Italian-looking labels. When the class action was filed against Deoleo USA in 2014, the allegations covered both Bertolli and Carapelli, labeled imported from Italy when the olives were not Italian in origin. Deoleo settled in 2018 for $7 million. Physical check. Hold the bottle to the light. Real extra virgin has a slight haze and greenish or golden tone. Refined oil appears pale and nearly water clear. Clarity is not purity. Subscribe if you want us to do this for other pantry staples. Number 3. Cola Vita, a mid to premium priced Italian family story, marketed to people who care about what they cook with. The 2011 UC Davis Olive Center study, the most cited independent analysis of olive oil in North America, tested 5 top-selling imported brands. Cola Vita was among them, a 73% failure rate across sensory panels. Taste test: take a teaspoon, Hold it in your mouth for 10 seconds. Real extra virgin leaves a peppery catch at the back of your throat. That pepper is oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound only present in genuinely fresh, cold-pressed oil. No pepper, no oleocanthal. Number 2. Filippo Berio. Everywhere, 150 years of Italian heritage. UC Davis, 73% sensory panel failure rate. Blend from multiple countries, no harvest date. The standard non-organic bottle ranked worst in the OCO Test 2022 review of 19 European olive oils. Highest mineral oil residue levels in the entire test. And in a 2024 Delish blind taste test, 13 brands, Filippo Berio ranked dead last. Muddy and harsh. Physical check. Harvest date on the label, which country the olives were grown in. Height, not bottled, grown. If no to either, you are not getting the transparency this price point owes you. Number 1. Store brand light and pure olive oil. Not a single brand, a category. Walk into any Canadian grocery chain and you will find bottles labeled light olive oil, pure olive oil, or just olive oil, next to genuine extra virgin olive oil with the same Mediterranean imagery. Light and pure are refined oils, processed with heat and solvents to strip out flavor, color, and most bioactive compounds. The polyphenols, the oleocanthal, gone. What is left is a flavorless fat sold to people who believe they are paying for the health benefits of olive oil. Physical check. Read the label. If it does not say extra virgin, it is not. If it says light anywhere, you are buying refined oil. Mass market brands like Gallo or Bertolli are not necessarily fake oils in the sense of being diluted with canola oil, but their baseline products are highly industrial. Standardized blends designed for consistent flavor profiles and low prices. If you want tracing transparency, always skip the standard bottle and opt for bottles that explicitly state a specific country of origin, a single estate name, and a recent harvest date. Before I tell you what to buy, let me point out how to find good quality olive oil. Always check the label. Must say extra virgin olive oil. If it says olive oil, light or pure, put it back. The harvest date, not the best before date. After 18 months from pressing, even genuine extra virgin is past its best window. No harvest date means buying blind. The origin. Product of EU and packed in Italy are not origins. A genuine origin names a country, region, or estate. Do the sensory test. Fresh extra virgin smells green and slightly fruity, tastes bitter, and leaves a peppery catch in the throat. Now let me present you the hero list. Number 3. Terra de Lisa, available at Costco, Walmart, and Loblaws, Tunisian origin. Every bottle has a QR code linked to IBM Food Trust blockchain traceability. Scan it and follow the oil from the Tunisian orchards to the filling date. Cold-pressed single origin, certified by the North American Olive Oil Association, acidity below 0.4%. Costco audits the production facility annually. Open it, smell it. Clean, mild, approachable. The right pick for families who want quality without paying a premium. Number 2. Kirkland Signature, organic, extra virgin olive oil, available at Costco, Canada. UC Davis verified, Bureau Veritas certified, USDA, and Canada Organic certified. Sold in an opaque container and in the 2024 NAOA testing program. 190 samples across the top 15 brands and 37 private label store brands, the most comprehensive olive oil study ever conducted in North America. Zero adulteration was found. Kirkland passed clean. Open it, smell it. Clean aroma, mild to medium flavor. The pick for daily cooking at volume and value. Number 1. Cobram Estate. Available at IGA in BC, well.ca, and select independents. The premium pick. Founded in Australia in 1998. Groves in Australia and California, pressing twice a year. Every olive cold pressed within hours of picking. Rigorous testing shows 0 failures, sensory and chemical. Harvest dates on every bottle. Open it. Smell it. grassy, vibrant, peppery finish that actually catches in the throat. If you've only used the avoid list brands, Cobram will be a different experience. Here is your key takeaway. Mass market brands like Gallo or Bertolli are not necessarily fake oils in the sense of being diluted with canola oil, but their baseline products are highly industrial, standardized blends designed for consistent flavor profiles and low prices. If you want tracing transparency, always skip the standard bottle and opt for bottles that explicitly state a specific country of origin, a single estate name, and a recent harvest date. You are spending $15, $20, sometimes $25 a liter on something that is supposed to be good for you. You deserve to know what you are actually buying. This is not about food snobbery. It is about not being taken advantage of by marketing designed to make a mislabeled product look like something it is not. Knowing what extra virgin requires, what product of EU means, where to find a harvest date, that is just information every Canadian consumer should have had years ago.